0240-333-111. Family Drilling Company Limited. Yes, what flash not say a ship. Girl charcoal toothpaste. Pause papa. You was so blam and it's like a beer. And what did you say? It's not a what do one.
Hello, welcome to Bomba Stores. Are you planning a trip abroad but feel overwhelmed by the visa process?
Our services include ground handling, air ticketing and reservation, car rentals, tour guiding and all year-round excursions.
Ready for an adventure? With Bomba Stores, explore the world and create memories that last a lifetime. Your journey begins with us.
For all your relocation needs, we've got you covered. Be it study abroad, work abroad, internships, seminars, conferences, and whatever. We are here to make your dream a reality.
So with our experienced team and professional service, you can travel with ease and peace of mind. Contact us today to learn about our services.